Hi, this is David Williams from iExpert Advisor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create an MQL function with parameters in our free AI EA Builder. So to back up, a function in software terms is just a unit of code that does something for us. MQL, which is the programming language for EAs, supports functions and also supports a bunch of built-in functions. Some of them you are probably familiar with, as they are used to calculate technical indicators. In the EA Builder, you can access the built-in functions from the toolbar under the Functions tab. For example, this is the momentum function. We can drag and drop it onto the pad. When we click the plus button to configure it, we see the parameters for this function, like symbol and time frame. We select the parameters and the function uses these values to perform its work. In this case, calculate the momentum. You could do the same thing with MQL functions. That is, define parameters for your function. We've had the MQL function in the toolbox for a long time. The MQL function allows you to build any function using the MQL language. What's new is that we added AI to generate the MQL code. Today, I'll show you how to use a prompt that will build an MQL function with parameters. It's pretty easy. We just have to tell AI to do it. So here's the prompt. Create an MQL function with a string parameter named symbol that opens a trade of one lot when the ATR is greater than 0.04. And then I add some other notes. Use the ATR function with default parameters. Return a single MQL function without any notes or suggestions. Name the function fnopenTradeOnATR. The function returns an integer. Do not include markdown and output the MQL code only. Now, I'll click the Ask AI button. This will forward the request to AI and populate the response in the MQL code window. You may also notice the name of the function was populated as well. In this case, fnopenTradeOnATR, just like we asked. I'll click Done to save the function. Now, when I click the plus button to configure our function, I can see that we have a parameter named symbol, and I can select a value. Now I'll build our system. It built successfully using the MQL code provided from the AI. So the AI feature works seamlessly with the rest of the drag and drop features of the builder. All the other powerful features and functions of our drag and drop EA Builder are still there. This is just one more option to help you build your custom EA. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the EA Builder, check out some of our other videos we have up here, or go to our website at iexpertadvisor.com and download a free version of our AI Builder and try it yourself.